Hello my brother and sister, another new day and another new video. I hope you are alright and doing well. Today market opened around 17,917 level. So in 30-minute bigger time frame, market exactly at the resistance position and market also previously in downfall trend. So I hope market today also pretend downfall trend and I will take 17,950 put trade option and patiently waiting how market will going, and market goes to my opposite direction and upward direction and I make a huge loss around $1,000, but I believe in my analysis and so I will patiently waiting around 15 minutes, and after 15-minute waiting time period I will get around $925 profit. I hope you will like my analysis and like my video. What's your profit today? Give me comment below. I hope you will like my video and subscribe my channel. Now you can show how market will perform and how I will take losses to profit. I hope you will like the video.